If you are having a question or how to get our products in order, not sure, let us know. We was being really suggest to go direct to our official website to be safe for shopping, without any hesitations or worry about things. Okay, I just give you a just for your information. So I'm gonna put this one down. You know, it's fun because with this look, you can do with so many with, like, especially if you do gel polish. I'm so happy with this because if you you don't have to, even like if you're doing liquid and powders for the clients doing clear nails and they're using a gel polish, this is perfect because if you encapsulating them with the clear acrylics, you might have to take it off or remove this look every time you're doing a feel and she's going to move to a different look. This way, if you have on the gel polish, she can absolutely changing to different look without had to like five all her nails off, just for your preference. But also I do a lot of liquid and powders the clients as well, so I think it works both way and I really enjoy doing this. Even it looks pretty by itself already. So I have a little bit of it's too pretty. I don't want to do anything else for this. Great, so sticky. And also I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. Make sure when you're using this one, wipe it off because it will, just don't dip in acetone or alcohol. You see how I wipe this off? All the residues go right into this, so then just in case you're using it again, it's one not contaminating and ruining your brush. I literally can wear every single of these colors because they're so easy to use, really friendly to use, go with different colors, and it's so fine and thin. It comes with different particle, like it's bigger and smaller. So then you can do an ombre look or encapsulate whole entire nails. It will give really cool look. So even the clients like, for instance, if the clients want to do something is really nice for the nails, like if she get all 10 nails like in a blue, but she want only 2 ring swingers, like for instance, encapsulating this glitters. And then you can do like up surface chalks of $5 each nail, $7 each nail. It really depend on the salons, locations, I guess. I feel that. Really cool though. Great. So I am going to using the condensed glue gels again and encapsulating. The same, my twin tip brush, but a little bit different that this time I am going to cure this one by itself, and I will do a top coat later because I need a little bit of the sticky surface to work with my 40 gels. If you do a 40 gels combination, so we're doing it. Flash cure for like 30 seconds. I need a little bit sticky surface to work with my 40 gels. And I have, this is my 40 gel, wonder what it is, just a little beads that I have. I just took it out from the 40 gels pure white part, is back in the stock. So a lot for you to select as well. And also everything will be exclusive, sub couple of products will be in, and everything will be 20% off. Special for the Memorial Day sales. We'll continue to support all of our technicians all of you. We really appreciate and thanks to every single of you for love and support. That's why we are here. Continue supporting you is really cool. And all right, so let's see, I should put the frame on it, but I didn't, huh? Did I?
It's gonna be 4D down there.
Yeah, it's 40, but I supposed to, but it's okay. If you forget it like me, it's not a big deal. So basically, with just 40, I'm just good. If you have this, which is if you get the set, it come with that as well. Also, you can buy it itself. But if just in case you don't have this, you can always using this dot 2. It's no longer is a halo on the dot 2 anymore. It's gonna be a dot 2, so then you don't have to worry about stuff stuck in there. So if you don't have the Sterling 2 to scoop it out, you can using the pickers. Hold on, I'm gonna place. I'm gonna close this one because we absolutely don't want it dry. With the LED light, so many lights surround me right now. And I am using a 4D brush, which is on the other end. So the one end is the 3D brush with Condensed, and this end is the really small perfect for its 4D gel. Is silicone, a special design for this one. And I did like roll some beads right here, a perfect for the size of my flowers. So I picked the same one. If you want to the same look, same size, make sure you get just like pick a small portion. So make sure all the beads are the same size, so then you can get all different petals in the same. This one is really simple. It's 40. You can create I am going to continue to doing another one. It is so simple though, and it's super friendly user and easy for all of you who is love to doing a 3D flowers. And it's still like it take me, I have to be honest with all of you, like it take me 4 years to figure out this. Well, I mean liquid and powder, but I would start knowing it with this before I even doing a 40. So now, seeing you having a 40 is so much easier for you to really practice from 40 to get like have a concept of it, and then you can using the same concept and applies and learning your liquid and powder. That is will give you like a kind of like a concept how you molding and guiding yours. Super cute, super easy. Hopefully you can see it. And I'm gonna continue doing the other ones on this side right here. How's everyone doing today? Tuesday. I lost track of the day and said, wait a minute, what day? Like today was there, I was doing a live today. I thought it was on my 3:30 my time, but I didn't realize that way. I was like, she's 1 hour ahead. But I'm so glad I caught your live video. I said, wait a minute, I think it's funny that how Sometimes it's like that to me, but all right, so you can do all 3 petals or all the 2 or 3 flowers. Really depend on how many. You can dress it up really nicely however you want it, and you can do different colors with 40. It doesn't have to be in white colors. Just using the tips of it, you didn't even see me doing any. Like, if just in case you feel like it's sticky to yours, just don't need to use alcohol. Just get the cup of the waters and you just dip your brush, the silicones tips in there. It will help to blend yours 40 gels nicely without sticky or anything, but you shouldn't have any issue at all. It's super easy, friendly use, and it's not that difficult at all. I'm really enjoying doing this because it doesn't have any, well, if you work with liquid and powder, it can have a film, you can smell it, but I think either way it works. This one is really cool. I'm really enjoying this one a lot. So you can either do this, your 4D. So you're gonna do using the tips and guide it right in the middle, and then use using whole body of that, because it's designed specially for your 3Ds, 4Ds flowers with 4D gels, but in 3D flowers. So when you use a tip of it, because it's small enough to guide it in the middle, and then you're using a body and it's the angle of it, so it will help press your beads down, but it's not gonna make your bead too flat. This way you can get your 4D look the way you want it. You can see that if I'm like press it a little bit more than I expect, I can always leave it up and really cool. You can do it like smaller or bigger, however you would like for your petals. I think I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna do really quick here, and it's tag free, so you don't have to worry about it's sticky or you need to put the top coat. I usually don't put the top coat over this cute 40 gels because I don't want to make it too shiny and it's ruining my look. So if you have this, it's safe and you're good to go. So I'm gonna just adjusting if I need to before I really put it in here. It's just nice about that if you're doing like 4D 3Ds on your liquid and powder, right? If you sculpting it, it's gonna be dry, but if you doing with 4D, it's gonna be there until you finish it, and then you'll be happy with it. So I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. This one, flash here 30. You can do so many nails, like each time just use a little, and you can just pick from your either dot tool if you have the dot tools from your pickers, or you can using your sterling tool and just pick a smaller portions, and you can have all different, like it takes like no time. Hi Live Raz, how are you, love? Hi Bonita, thanks so much for tuning in. We are on the second nails, Live Raz. Thank you Bonnie. So it's really cool. And now I'm gonna dress it up a little bit and give it some love in here with the crystals here.